If you've ever thought, I'm the bottleneck in my own business, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to automate your entire business with AI, from lead generation and sales follow-ups to operations, support, and even finance, so you can reclaim your time and scale with confidence. We'll build a step-by-step blueprint you can copy today, no code degree required. Here's the curiosity hook. By the end, you'll get my 2-sentence prompt that can turn any messy process into a repeatable AI workflow. Plus, the 15-minute onboarding trick that trains AI on your brand voice without hiring a consultant. Stick around because I'll also reveal the one mistake that silently kills most automations and how to avoid it. Clear frameworks, real examples, and ready-to-use templates. Let's build your autopilot business. First, we need to map what to automate because automating the wrong thing just makes you fail faster. 1. The 80-20 automation map. Start here. Before tools, identify high-leverage, repeatable tasks. Use this quick 80-20 map. List the top 5 tasks that consume your week. Circle the tasks that are repetitive, rules-based, and data-driven. Prioritize by impact. Revenue, time saved, error reduction, versus effort, complexity, dependencies. For most businesses, winners are lead capture and enrichment, inbound triage, proposal drafts, invoice reminders, support FAQs, and meeting notes. Tasks. In a minute, I'll show you the one-page workflow sheet I use to translate any task into an AI pipeline, so nothing breaks when you hand it off. 2. Data is destiny. Build a single source of truth, SSOT. AI is only as good as the context you give it. Create a single source of truth where your business info lives. Knowledge base, product service descriptions, pricing, policies, brand voice, FAQs, customer data, leads, deals, tags, notes, last touch point. Operations docs, SOPs, checklists, templates, compliance requirements. Keep it simple. One folder or knowledge hub with consistent naming. SOPs, quotes pricing 2025, brand voice. The goal is retrieval. Your AI should find the right snippet in seconds. Pro tip: add a what we don't do page. It prevents the model from making confident but wrong suggestions. In the next section, I'll give you a SSOT starter index and a brand voice mini worksheet you can fill in 10 minutes. 3. The 4 pillars: capture, process, store, act. Every automation lives on 4 rails. Capture, where data enters, forms, emails, calls, chats. Process, what the AI does: classify, summarize, draft, route, enrich. Store, where results live: CRM, project board, knowledge base. Act, what happens next: notify, assign, schedule, send. Example: a prospect fills a form. AI enriches the lead with company size and industry, saves to CRM, triggers an email sequence with a tailored value proposition, books a call. Common mistake: letting data sprawl across 10 apps. Centralize IDs, email, deal ID, so every step points to the same record. Coming up, we'll build a smart inbox that turns client emails into tasks, drafts, and calendar blocks automatically. 4. Your AI smart inbox: email, chat, and calls. Email is where time goes to die. Let's fix it. Triage. AI labels emails: lead, support, billing, spam. Summarize threads into 3 bullets with next steps. Draft replies in your brand voice with variables: name, product, offer. Convert promises into tasks. I'll send a quote: task due tomorrow. Missed call: AI transcribes voicemail, creates callback task, drafts SMS. Got your message. Free at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Brand voice mini worksheet. Paste into your SSOT. Tone: Friendly, concise, expert. No-go phrases ASAP, per my last email. Signature style, first name plus title plus one-line value proposition. Formatting, short paragraphs, bold key terms, plain English. Next, I'll show the two-sentence prompt that turns any chaotic thread or SOP into a crisp, reusable workflow. 5. The two-sentence prompt that builds workflows. This is the engine. Use it with emails, SOPs, or meetings. You are my operations assistant. Given the source text, extract the goal, inputs, decisions, and outputs. Return a 4-step workflow using the capture, process, store, act format. Then generate a reusable checklist with if-then branches and data fields to copy into my CRM or project tool. Ask me to confirm or edit any missing details. Paste in a messy email thread or your current SOP. In seconds, you'll have a clean workflow plus checklist you can reuse. In a moment, I'll apply this to lead generation so you can turn cold clicks into booked calls on autopilot. 6. Lead gen and sales, from click to calendar. Here's a full funnel you can implement this week. Capture. Landing page form or chat widget asks 3 tailored questions. Role, industry, biggest pain. Process. AI scores the lead, fit, urgency, budget, and enriches with public data, company size, website. Store, create, or update the CRM record, attach summary and recommended offer. Act. Auto-send a personalized email with a relevant case study plus calendar link for a 15-minute discovery call. Follow-ups. If no response in 48 hours, AI drafts a casual nudge. Worth a quick 10-minute chat to see if we can solve pain? If clicked but not booked, send a 1-question survey and a short video answering the top objection. Proposals. AI turns discovery call notes into a 1-page proposal with outcomes, timeline, investment, and next steps. Include 3 options, light, core, premium, to increase close rate. Auto-create an e-signature doc and reminder sequence. Right after operations, I'll show you the reactivation bot that revives old leads in 24 hours. 7. Operations. Projects that run themselves. Convert meeting notes into structured plans. Capture, record calls. AI transcribes and highlights decisions. Process, extract deliverables, due dates, dependencies. Store. Create project board with milestones and owners. Act, schedule reminders, check-ins, and status updates. SOP builder. Feed your best team members' process into the 2-sentence prompt. Generate a checklist with screenshots placeholders. Store in SSOT. Now anyone can execute to the same standard. Quality gates define. Definition of done. What must be true before a task is complete? Add acceptance criteria, measurable, observable checks. Use AI to review deliverables against the criteria and flag issues. Next, the 15-minute onboarding trick that trains AI on your brand so drafts sound like you. Not a robot. 8. The 15-minute brand onboarding trick. Create a quick brand packet so AI speaks your language. Voice pillars, e.g. clear, warm, practical. Audience snapshot. Who they are, what they want, what they fear. Signature moves. Phrases you use, frameworks you teach, stories you tell. Formatting rules. Short sentences, bold key terms, avoid jargon. 5 sample assets, your best email, post, page, and reply. Good and bad examples. Paste this packet into your SSOT and any AI prompt as brand context. Now, every draft sounds like you. You now have the blueprint to automate your entire business with AI. Start with clarity, the 80-20 map, and a solid, single source of truth. Build on the 4 pillars: capture, process, store, act, deploy smart inbox, lead to calendar, project autopilot, reactivation bot, help desk, and finance flows. protect it with guardrails, and watch the dashboard of truth weekly. As promised, here's the 2-sentence prompt again. Copy this into your notes. You are my operations assistant. Given the source text, extract the goal, inputs, decisions, and outputs. Return a 4-step workflow using the capture, process, store, act format. Then generate a reusable checklist with if-then branches and data fields to copy into my CRM or project tool. Ask me to confirm or edit any missing details. And the 15-minute onboarding trick. Make a brand packet with voice pillars, audience snapshot, signature moves, formatting rules, and 5 sample assets. Paste it as brand context in every prompt. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more AI systems you can steal. Drop a comment with the one process you want me to automate next, and I'll create a ready-to-use workflow in a future video. Until then, build once, scale forever.